Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. This is the world away. And as you can see, it's now been 2 weeks since I received my Boulies chair here. Now, Boulies sent me this. Basically, my chairs in this channel, I've had no luck with whatsoever. I think since I created the channel in 2015, I've gone through about 8 or 9 of these gaming chairs. But this chair is heavy duty, it's all singing, all dancing, and I've got a great big thank you to Boulies for sending me this. I'm going to tell you all about this, how to build the chair, why I love it so much. So I didn't put a video out instantly because I did want to try it out and make sure that it's everything that I want in a chair. And believe me, it is everything that I'm playing with at the moment. It's got buttons everywhere. I keep playing with. So I thought what I'll do today is I will build the chair and have a nice montage video for you. I'll show you some of the buttons and whistles and things that this chair does. And then obviously I'll tell you how you can get hold of this for yourself. And once again, I do want to thank you, the folks at Boulies, for giving me this chair so I can review it for you peeps out there. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Check this out. Okay, so let me tell you about some of the features and benefits of this chair. First off, you can see how I'm sitting on this. It's a lot wider than your normal standard gaming chair. As a matter of fact, I normally sit like this with my legs crossed on it, and I can actually do that in comfort, which is pretty much probably why my other chairs, these armrests, bent back. We don't have a problem with this one. Now, with these armrests, we've got buttons everywhere. First off, we've got the buttons at the side, these two here, which make it go like this. So we can have this at an angle wherever we're putting our arms. So use a for blood tests. Okay, we've got these ones here. What these ones do here, make it go backwards and forwards like this. And then finally we've got these at the side that when we pull them up, we can make them go up or down. That's pretty cool as well. Let's have them down at the moment. Okay, the levers down the bottom. The right hand side one makes it go up and down. Let's leave it there at the moment. And then the left hand sided one with the back on here, if I was to have it up, I can actually move the back in the position I want. Then if I push it down, it actually locks it in that position. So now I'm locked in that position just there. Oh. The only other thing is we've got a lumbar support, which is these dials on the side here, which will make this push out. So it gives you a little bit of lumbar support there. We've got a handle here that when we put it up, it's going to make the back go up and down like that. So basically we've got two controls, one that's controlling the back, and this one here is actually controlling the whole chair into a position. And then we've actually got a sort of like fire rest that works a bit like putting my legs up. So let me show you that one. So I've moved this down here, as you see, this comes out like that, and then basically we just put this up like that. And then when I'm sitting on this, as you can see, I can put my legs on here and chill out. This is certainly going to be the chair for me. I absolutely love it. It's an all singing, all dancing chair. And as I said, this is available through Boulies. And I have, throughout this video, had a QR code down the bottom. That just tells the folks over at Boulies that you've come from my channel. But if you want to get this for yourself, it's called the Master Rex 2026. This is what I'm going to be using now. And there you go. So all my build videos now in future, I'm going to be in pure comfort. And if you are watching the videos and you want to know what these chairs are, obviously I can refer back to this video. But I really hope you liked that video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Other than that, take care.